name is Delaney Rosales. I'm in Mrs. Kelleher's 4th grade class, and this is my Rube Goldberg project. To begin, I'm going to release this marble, which has potential gravitational energy. Once I release it, it will turn into kinetic energy as it comes down these tubes, which will then hit this lever right here and pull on this wedge, which will release the car, acting as a wheel and axle, creating mechanical energy as it comes down this inclined plane, hitting the steel bar right here, creating potential to kinetic energy as it comes down these tubes right here, which will then hit this larger marble, which will come down these tracks, hitting these dominoes, creating a domino effect that will then hit these books, creating potential to kinetic energy. Pulling on this string on the big book right here, which is attached to a pulley, creating gravitational energy, which will then activate the switch on the controller, creating electrical energy that will engage this drone right here that has stored energy with its lithium battery, creating wind energy with its blades right there, which will then meet our objective of blowing out the candles. So let's start.